What's up, you guys? Your boy John LSX, and we're back with another video of Viejones. As most of you guys know, I've been shopping at Advanced Auto Parts, finding some good ass deals, and we just left one right now. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera and show you guys what we got. All right, so I went ahead and bought more trailer lights for my trailers. You never know, because I like to break them when I'm backing up. I bought some the things that go on the sway bar on the Silverados, and then right here we have 2020 brake rotors for the Silverados in the front. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do a big brake conversion on 99 to 06 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra using the 2020 Silverado parts. So I got two of them right here. We're just missing the brake calipers. But anyways, let's go ahead and look for them around town. All right, Viejones, we went ahead and made it to the last store. It is Christmas Eve, so stores are closing early. This one was pretty far. It was about like half an hour away from where I was. But anyways, we came here to see if they have any more parts for the Silverados and for all my trucks that I'm building. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera and show you guys, because this store is literally like dead. Like, they have nothing in stock. Look at all these stuff right here that's gone already. Look, nada, está pelón aquí el asunto. Some stuff are missing from here as well, as you guys can see. Let's see. Oh, and if you guys need an oil change, your brakes done, head on over to Advanced Auto Parts, because stuff is 40% off and it is cheap. Look right here as well. Some of the items are gone. Let's see what else I have on over here. Give me some motor oil for sure, because I know my trucks need them. I use heavyweight 5W30. Nope, nothing. 5W30, 5, nope. They don't even have the oil that I use. I use heavyweight on all my trucks because I live in Vegas and there's a desert over here. Plus the heat, and then the engine heat, it dilutes the oil quicker and it thins it out. But anyways, let's go see what else they have. Anyways, big shout out to Advanced Auto Parts, you guys. I hit another lick at this store. I bought 3 fuel pumps, some oil for this truck, and the shift cable for the 99 to 06 Chevy Silverados. And the total for this was supposed to be $727, and I bought it for $87.57 out the door. That included 3 fuel pumps. One of them is flex fuel, and then the chicote for the shift cable for the transmission, and some engine oil. This is the weight that I run on all my trucks, heavyweight. But anyways, that's gonna be it. Let's go and head back home, or I might hit another one. Let's go. Anyways, you guys, I made it back to the shop. Chulo, he stayed, he was working. He went ahead and unbolted the bed, took the rear wheels off as well. ¿Qué más hiciste, Chulo?
They were pretty hard to take off.
They were pretty hard?
Yeah, they're like this. They put them on like if no one wanted to steal them.
But Chulo went ahead.
Luckily.
Yeah, Chulo got the wheels off. The bed is scooped back. And up next, in the next video, or probably in this video, we're going to remove the plastic bed liner. Chulo removed the tailgate handle as well, and this plastic bed liner that the tailgate has. And you remove the wheels. Let me see if he disconnected the... si sabe, mijo. Yeah. Up next, what we got to do is remove the front wheels, leave it on jack stands, because we don't want no problems, no issues, no overspray, no scratches on the wheels at all, because they are new. But yeah, ahí va la cosa. Chulo, he was sanding down this the Ford grill that we're going to be color matching.
The insides, because...
Getting all the small details all inside of aquí, ¿verdad, Chulo?
Yeah, you got to shove your hand in there because it's kind of hard.
¿Te falta poquito o qué?
Sí, me falta poquito nomás acá.
Okay. But yeah, here's the truck del compa G-Touch Detailing. If you guys want to go ahead and follow him, he is located in Riverside. He does auto detailing. So give him a follow. He is the owner of this truck. He went ahead and trusted us all the way here to Vegas to do a crazy color and a crazy transformation. Like I mentioned, we still got to remove the front wheels. But yeah, I went to all those stores. I went to one last store, and the guy here was like, oh, we're closed. And I told him, how are you guys closed when you guys closed at 4? It's currently like 2 and some change, you know? And he was like, oh, boy, everybody has to leave the building at 4. These people, they make their own rules. But also, Chulo went ahead and removed the side molding that goes on alongside. What was that?
We need a new wheel eraser because the other one ya está como mis dientes todo en puro. Enséñales ahí está el güey.
But this is what Chulo's talking about, the eraser wheel. I need to buy him a new one. That's to eliminate the double-sided stickiness on the panels. And he went ahead and removed both driver's side and passenger side plastic moldings that go on the door. Here's one right here. He went ahead and removed them, both sides, like I mentioned. Bro, this truck is moving along quick. It is Christmas Eve, but tomorrow we are not going to be working. So if you guys are watching this, have Merry Christmas. Don't drink and drive, you guys. If you guys feel drunk or if you guys are under the influence of any type of substance or anything, just catch an Uber. Like I mentioned before in my last videos, it's either a $15 for an Uber or a $10,000 for a what?
Paint job, whole complete paint job.
No. That's not what I said, Chulo. I said it's cheaper getting a funeral. I mean, it's cheaper getting a funeral. Nah, tú estás al revés, güey. Me estás trabajando. It's cheaper getting an Uber, which is $15 depending where you're at, or $15,000 for a funeral. Choose. Or go ahead and just get a new paint job, you viejones. But anyways, like I mentioned, you guys, if you guys are watching this, have a Merry Christmas. Hopefully you guys spend time with your loved ones, your friends, and your family. But yeah.
And I want to say, I wish Merry Christmas to everybody from the Painters LV. Ya que yo nunca pone el nombre así afuera, él lo pone otras cosas, pero Merry Christmas for the Painters LV, for the whole family, Painters family.
Well. And then I'm going to be making videos on this, you guys. As most of you guys know, I bought the starter for this truck. So this truck ya me está estorbando aquí.
And I did put all the stuff away.
I actually want to put all my tools and all this. I actually have a bigger toolbox at my dad's house. It's my Mako one. It's from right here all the way to down there. I want to eliminate all of this and put it towards that wall over there so I have more space, and move this truck as well, take it somewhere else, and then I'll have all this extra side space as well. And then I also got to see about this compressor that Street Concept bought me, see if it, works or what's going on. If not, está bien para la basura, because I gotta start this. No. I gotta start the new year fresh, the new year all over again. Gracias a Dios, 2024 went so far so good for us. Can't complain. There was ups and downs, but life is not perfect. Life is what you make out of it. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and install the new hood that Street Concept gave me for my crew cab. Let's go. And this is the stuff that I bought at Advanced Auto Parts. I bought 3 fuel pumps, the 2020 Silverado front rotors, more trailer lights, and some engine oil for the blue truck. Suspension parts. When you drop the suspension on the Silverados, you guys have to replace these. Just a little tip. And also the chicote from 99 to 06 Chevy Silverado, because on the burnout truck, on the bottom, how the exhaust is set up, it heats up a lot and these tend to melt and you'll have shifting problems. So I went ahead and bought all of this today at Advanced Auto Parts. I'm still going to be looking for the 2020 Silverado front brake pads and the rotors as well, because I'm going to be doing what's called the big brake conversion on the burnout truck, so we have no problem stopping. And also because I'm going to be eliminating the rear brakes on the burnout truck, so just the front ones will be functional. And if you upgrade to the big brake system, you will stop way quicker than the ones that are already on the truck. Anyways, today I'm going to be installing this hood that Street Concept gave me as a Christmas gift on my 2005 GMC Sierra. For next year, for 2025, you guys, actually want to fix this truck up and probably give it away to you guys, one of you guys as my subscribers. Just sell some shirt and some merch and then raffle this truck away or give it away. But I'm trying to do it my first giveaway, and this might be the first truck that I give away on the channel. But anyways, a little history about this truck. I bought it in Cali for $500. I put a brand new transmission from TCR. It has about 10 miles on it. New torque converter, front suspension and rear suspension are all brand new. New drop shackles, new springs, new shock absorber, new rotors, new brake pads, and new wheel bearings as well. Then the transmission is brand new. When it comes down to the motor, it is completely stock, viejones. Complete stock 5.3. Oh, never mind. This is a 2004. It's a 5.3, completely stock, but I did buy some parts like the fuel pump. I'm going to be replacing the fuel pump, even though there's nothing wrong with it. The fuel pump, the water pump, and I might cam this truck later on in the video. I'm going to show you guys how to cam as well. And since the transmission is new, it should handle the cam And I'm gonna go ahead and get a new torque converter as well, like a 3800 stall. But anyways, we're gonna be installing the hood that Street Concept gave me as a Christmas gift. But anyways, let's go. And this is my other Sierra. This one's garage kept. I don't drive this truck at all, you guys. I just basically painted it, took it to one show, won an award, and it just sits here in my garage as well. This one is garage kept, and I might be building this 6.0 with you guys on the channel, so stay tuned for those videos. As most of you guys know, I am a mechanic. I graduated from college to be an automotive technician, and I used to have my G1 and G2 certificates. That means to be a smog technician, but I never renewed them. I just let them go. But I'm thinking about getting back into the automotive industry as a mechanic and show you guys how to do stuff. But I do know how to rebuild all this stuff as well. But yeah, this is my, I think this one's a 2002 GMC Sierra. It's an SS clone. SS cladding's all the way around, completely sponsored. If you guys want to watch the full video on this truck, it is on my channel as well, you guys. But yeah, this one's garage kept. You guys are probably wondering what happened to my other Sierra. It is right here. I keep it in the garage. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and help Chulo replace that hood because si no se va a tronar el coco. But anyways, to remove the hood is just 6 13s, 3 on each side, and you got to remove the ground, which is a 10, but this ground is messed up. So I'm going to be replacing that later on. But anyways, it's just three 13s on the driver's side, 3 13s on the passenger side, and the hood comes out. But anyways, let's go ahead and remove it. All right, there you have it. We went ahead and removed the hood. Damn, the truck looks different without a hood, no, Chulo?
Yeah.
And now it's time to install the hood that Street Concept gave me as a Christmas gift. Let's go. Man, we finally installed the hood, me and Chulo, but man, this truck looks more aggressive, a nice look. Shout out to Street Concept for giving me this hood as a Christmas gift for 2024. It gives this truck a brand new appearance and look, aggressive look. But man, now I'm more motivated, you guys, to get started on this build. Like I mentioned before, I don't know if I should give it away or fix it and then flip it. But comment down below what you guys think, you guys. This hood looks amazing. This is a 2004 GMC Sierra. I still got a lot of work to do on this truck, meaning fixing all the body work and exterior of this truck, replacing both driver's side and passenger side fender, installing a GMC Sierra HD grille, fixing the door. But a little history about this truck. It's an 04 GMC Sierra. I fixed it up from the ground up. This truck was not running when I bought it. The transmission was bad and all that good stuff. But I replaced the transmission, did all the suspension work front and back. Everything got replaced, new upper control arms, you name it. The only thing that didn't get replaced was probably the brake calipers. All the other stuff like rotors, brake pads, wheel bearings, all that got replaced. But man, now I want to drop a 6.0 on this, a cammed out 6.0, build it, tune it, and then probably give it away or flip it. But man, this truck came out sick. It's coming out sick. I'm excited now, like I mentioned already. But man, this is a great gift from Street Concept. But anyways, you guys, I'm gonna be wrapping this video up. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel, and also comment down below, you guys, should I do a giveaway for 2025? Build that GMC Sierra. It's a crew cab. Build it together, do the engine work with you guys, body work and paint, suspension work, and then give it away. And then comment down below, you guys. I do want to do my first giveaway, but I'm still sketchy because, you know, I don't think a lot of people will enter. But comment down below what you guys think, and make sure to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'll see you guys in 2 days, and tomorrow is Christmas. Stay safe, you guys. Don't drink and drive. Compórtense bien, because I don't want to attend one of you guys' car wash, fundraiser car wash, or none of that stuff. Anyways, have a happy holidays, and I'll see you guys in 2 days. Peace.